Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. As you can see in today's trading session, we have seen some choppiness. Initially, when the markets opened, we were trading up 1% as high as 13,530, which is, of course, a brand new all-time high here in the Nasdaq 100. But since then, the markets have opened and we have had a very sharp and swift pullback. I think that the markets are now starting to become a bit frothy. So what happens typically when the markets become a bit frothy? Hedge funds, the banks and retail traders will take profit. So they will trim their positions. As the old saying goes, you will never lose money from taking some profits. So, it is a good thing in the markets. It's healthy, and it will from time to time cause these very sharp unnecessary pullbacks. But as you can see, it looks to me that the retail traders have stepped straight back in and bought the dip, and as you can see, we're pretty much trading flat for the day. So I am a bull here in the Nasdaq 100. I don't want to be putting too much money to work at these high levels. I don't want to be giving into FOMO, but any dip that occurs in the Nasdaq 100 like the one today, I'm a buyer, and I did manage to buy this dip. So I will hold this patiently. Going into Tuesday's trading session, that's when we have a few big of a tech names reporting earnings. So we have AMD and we have Microsoft reporting earnings tomorrow, so that could cause some volatility here in the Nasdaq 100. But going into Tuesday, I'm looking to see whether we can retest that 13,500 area. As you can see on my screen, that's where the green line is. And that was my take profit price. So we hit my take profit price today at 13,500, which is fantastic. But now, due to this dip, it now gives us a second opportunity to get back involved in this market and retarget at 13,500 area. Once we get to 13,500, I'll then look north up towards 14,000. I'm very bullish with Nasdaq 100, as I mentioned before. A lot of the big tech names, the FANG names, I am expecting blowout quarters. So I really think the Nasdaq 100 still has plenty more upside potential. The one thing I'm being cautious about, however, is the RSI level. We are at the expensive side now, so I wouldn't mind a pullback, which I can take advantage of, maybe even towards a 50-day EMA. But medium to long term, I'm still incredibly bullish on this indice. And if you do currently hold sell positions, or if you are shorting this market and you have a bearish bias against it, then I would definitely reconsider and definitely look back toward that 13,500 and 14,000 level.